And for the Litchfield Hills this afternoon, cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight. Winter storm warning in effect from 2 a.m. Friday to noon Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches expected, although locally up to 14 inches across parts of the Rensselaer Plateau. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? In New York, eastern Rensselaer County. In Massachusetts, northern Berkshire County. When? From 2 a.m. Friday to noon Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Additional details. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute on Friday. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.